Hello, everyone. Welcome to your 12/12 portal and Sagittarius New Moon reading. Exciting times, the end of 2023. How do you guys feel? What's going on? Okay, let's see with the Sagittarius New Moon from the Moonology Diary. The first thing to say about the new moon in Sagittarius is that it's always a chance to step back and look at the bigger picture of life. So often we humans bury ourselves in the details, thinking only about our own worries and not looking around us to see the bigger picture of where we are in life. Taking a bit of a step back and getting some perspective helps us to see we are in fact blessed. Yes. Okay. So taking a step back, healing, seeing through the illusions of any confusion and deception. This would be the time when that would happen. And then what I'm feeling with this 12/12 portal is it's igniting intuition, a cosmic gateway to higher wisdom and a deeper connection with your higher self. This portal activates a call to service for those who can hear their inner voice and respond to serve humanity in some way. And also it's about stepping into the unknown with courage and faith. So a lot of powerful energy, 12/12. Okay, let's dive into what's being activated for you in this 12/12 portal. For the divine feminine within you, we have serious star blessings. Yes, proceed, be seen, push through. So this is that, being seen, putting yourself out there, higher wisdom connection, responding to your higher wisdom, to your intuition by doing something for humanity. Push through, be seen. You're being blessed, proceed. So something about that's being activated. It's this yes energy. If you've been asking, is it time? I would say Spirit saying it's time to allow yourself to open up and push through so you can be seen. And a stellar gateway activation for the divine feminine collective. Infinite potential manifestation vortex. Whoa. This is a powerful time to manifest your dreams, to release what's not serving you, to push through the confusion, the deception, the fear-based energy, the false reality, and shine that light. Proceed. You're being blessed with this stellar gateway because it's time for you to really expand and grow and shine your light and share the wisdom, manifest your dreams. Your vortex is open. And your star family is with you. What about for the sacred masculine here? Wow, that's a little too much. The halls of learning stood out. So the masculine's learning something new. Ooh, look at this. The solar light upgrade. Solar plexus chakra. Inner fire, willpower. So this really powerful, bright, beautiful, divine energy is here so that you can step into your power, be upgraded, stand in your truth, light the fire within. And once you ignite that and you make decisions based on love and what is highest and best for all involved, and you ignite the spiritual fire within and just, wow, all these incredible activations, and you shine that out, then other people do as well. It's like you're igniting your inner fire, but what I'm feeling is that you're going to help ignite other people's inner fires as well. But this is a major upgrade right now. And with the sun, very positive energy, with the star moving in the direction of your destiny. What else for the masculine? Soul star activation. Look at that. I believe this is Horus. I believe. Soul star activation, fulfilling soul contracts, remembering who you are. The Merkaba, these activations, the star energy again, coming in from the divine, from this portal into you, remembering who you are, your connections with other realms, with other entities. Your soul star is about 6 to 12 inches above you, and it's just that higher connection. That's exactly what this 1212 portal is bringing. And then being able to manifest your dreams. And at the bottom, to tie the masculine and feminine together for the 1212 portal, masculine and feminine energy, star gathering, stars aligned, remembering home, soul, family. So the stars are aligning for, I feel like, two worlds to come into one. Remembering who you are, remembering your infinite potential, that we're all connected, your soul tribe, your family. It's this coming together. It's this gathering. Beautiful. This portal, this new moon. Oh, what a gorgeous energy. So we're just going to read a little bit about the star gathering. Okay, I did confirm that this is Horus, and Horus is helping us all open up to our psychic vision, to hidden realms, wisdom, right? And this star gathering energy is what's tying us all together, masculine and feminine, within and without. The stars have aligned. You have found the lost pieces of yourself and your energy, and now it is time to shine. You're magnetic, attracting people, energies, and opportunities that will allow your dreams to unfold. This is a time of wishes fulfilled. All of your dedication, focus, and dreaming has paid off, and now you can reap the rewards. It's important for you to know that this plane of existence is your rightful place, and not to spend too much time trying to transcend this reality, for you choose to be here at this time. Make the most of this powerful opportunity. If you are feeling particularly connected to certain individuals at this time, it's because you are finding your star family, beings you connected with before you entered this cycle of physical incarnation. And as long as you are connected to yourself, you are home. So it's connecting to yourself, it's connecting to others. You're manifesting your dreams, so enjoy it. Enjoy it. Okay, what is this new moon bringing in for the feminine? What is this new moon in Sagittarius that just happens to be 1212 portal? What is this new moon energy bringing in? 7 of Pentacles. So this pause, this reflection, but it looks like a harvest is coming, right? The reward. It's been burdensome, so reflecting on the burdens, reflecting on how far you've come, zooming out and getting the bigger picture on it, right? That's what this new moon is asking you to do. And I feel to drop the burdens, of course, you don't need to be carrying that all around, but this is dropping the burdens and standing in your power, making the decision to move towards what you desire, move towards who you desire, do what you came here to do in the material world, because the 7 of Pentacles can be pause, reflect, what have I learned, what's working, what's not working, where do I want to put my focus, refocusing, because wherever you've been seems a little burdensome, right? Carrying all those burdens alone. And this is like, no, I'm going to move in the direction that I'm guided to by spirit, really taking your power back. Something about taking your power back. This new moon energy is going to help you drop your burdens and take your power back. What about for the masculine energy? It's important to stand in your truth and shine that spiritual light. Okay, so the masculines, this new moon is bringing an opportunity to heal, to really look at this heartache and pain, this grief, this third-party situation that didn't work out, and grow from it. That's what I'm feeling, but let's see what else. That's the cloudiness, the confusion, the hurt, the pain, the manipulation. Like, I feel like there's opportunity to see this differently, to heal from this, to take your power back in this situation. The hair, yeah, wow. The Hierophant, the Hermit, and the Six of Wands. Okay, so this was kind of upside down, and this was kind of upside down. So what I'm feeling is, in the past, when you reflect on this year, this past year, right? Maybe you were you wanted to show off, and it was more about pleasing other people and being seen and this public recognition. And you weren't really staying committed in different times, to your integrity. And, I mean, we all go through some ego-centered type moments. So it's reflecting on those and growing from those, gaining the wisdom from all of your experiences, and moving towards victory and success and being recognized, but being recognized for having integrity, being recognized for being wise and making grounded and stable decisions. A recommitment, recommitting to healing, recommitting to your goals, recommitting to your dreams. I do feel a recommitment here. And like really healing in the situations where you either didn't follow through with your commitment or somebody else didn't follow through with their commitment and it just didn't work out. And it was kind of a painful experience I'm feeling for the masculine collective. But moving out of that, recommitting, healing, learning as much as you can from it, and then moving towards success and out of the battle. What does this mean for the masculine and feminine together? What is this new moon bringing? Oh, look at this. Wow, look at that. What is this bringing for the masculine and feminine? Is balance, stability, sacred union, 11-11. So this 12-12 portal, new moon in Sagittarius, is bringing stability for the masculine and feminine, knowing your worth, healing the physical body, celebrating a new home, newness in the home, stability in the home, getting busy, a fertile time, 11-11 coming through the 12-12. That's beautiful. Twin flame, soulmate, really finding stability, feeling grounded, stable. Abundance is coming in. See, when you recommit and you drop the burdens and you stand in your power in the light, in love, right? And then you move towards and surround yourself with people that are supportive and are part of your journey and meant to be there. Things change. So the masculine and feminine coming together, this peacock being the masculine, knowing the feminine's worth. And so the feminine opening up to this. I mean, and there might be a child involved. You may be having a child. You may have a child. But I just feel a lot of growth. What's manifesting for the masculine and feminine? What's manifesting for who's ever listening to this? United. It feels like union. A lot of sacred unions coming together. Engagements could definitely be possible. I'm going to commit to you. The masculine saying to the feminine. So this opportunity to socialize, to get out around like-minded people, and this is also an opportunity to change things and not engage at all in toxic energy. Okay. And surround yourself by people that are supportive, right? Strategically moving with you, helping, supporting one another, and that are like-minded and moving out of the toxicity. But there definitely could be some battles with this energy, right? Yeah, the Tower. So there could be some kind of, you might witness some kind of argument, and then clarity is going to come from that, like this clearing away. So there needs to be this clearing away for this epiphany to grow spiritually, right? A lot of spiritual energy here. Yeah, because this is your destiny, and then there's balance. So there's this clearing away and these epiphanies and this clarity, and then here comes the healing, here comes the destiny, here comes the balance. And peace. This feels very peaceful after, right, after the stalemate. There's been a stalemate. There's something that has not been moving forward that needs to move forward. I'm feeling that there's this need to really listen to your inner voice and allow yourself to see where maybe there's mindsets and energies within you that you feel like you have to carry these burdens and be stuck and sort of, not move forward. And allow yourself to clear those out within you. And then allow yourself to see clearly of people in your life, situations that you're in, connections that you have, partnerships, friendships, whatever this is, that aren't healthy. And allow yourself to see that it's time to clear it out and move forward and come out of the stalemate and communicate your truth. Yeah, look at that. And then move out of the past, move forward with confidence, courage, balanced with the masculine and feminine. It's time for some forward movement and making decisions to come out of the stalemate, to shine your light, to move on forward, to move out of the old, to move out of the toxicity, take what you've learned, take the wisdom you've gained, allow yourself to receive these activations, these blessings, this stellar gateway opening for the chariot to move on. And when the chariot moves, when you move to your next destination, your next level of expansion, of spiritual growth, your next job venture, career venture, love venture, whatever this is, when you move forward, you don't look back. And if you need to leave people and situations and connections behind, well, it's time to do so, and you can let go with love and move forward. And with the purple dress, it's like trusting your intuition, really trusting those psychic insights right now. And with this Two of Swords, I feel like that's what's happening. It's like this feeling like I need to close my eyes and go within, the moon being represented here. Feel into the illusions, the fears. What am I really fearing here? And you're going to get clarity. It's like illuminations happening when you do that. And then you see the light with this Hermit card, right? And you move forward. You come out of the cave. Someone's coming out of the cave, out of a stalemate. There's some healing and there's forward movement. So once we move forward, what else can you tell us here on this path? Whenever you're listening to this, these messages are for you. But as long as you put in the effort, as long as you pay attention to the details and get busy, right, on the little things, sometimes it's the little things, and you put effort into your work, you're going to be rewarded. And it's paying attention to contracts and things like that with a little more detail. We are going to move into Mercury retrograde here soon. So and then there's this Page of Wands and this Temperance. So there's this new fruitful path, opportunity, idea, spark of inspiration, passion coming. Passionate message. Look at all that fruit on the tree. See, harvest. So you're going to be rewarded, right? And then it's like this, new vitality, new spark, new feeling just really balanced. Balancing the emotional body with the spiritual fire. And it's the Sagittarius New Moon. And there's all this beautiful, gorgeous, passionate energy, fire energy, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, root chakra, body chakras. This is my twin flame soulmate recognition card. So again, sacred union. We already got the Four of Wands for the masculine and feminine. So this is what's working to manifest here. Recommitting, commitment, and this abundance, this prosperity, this 11-11 alignment with the twin flame soulmates coming together. Healing, reconciliation. Wow, beautiful energy here. And this is the destiny, but sometimes there's some shakeups and things that have to happen along the way. And, I will always say and encourage to stay grounded, to do your healing work, to walk, to meditate, connect with your higher self and trust that. Reach out to me. Let's connect together. I would love to share my gifts with you. And at the bottom of the deck is this, meditate, rest, heal. Allow yourself to be healed. Allow yourself this recovery time. It's really important right now. Okay, let's get some more messages for this 12-12 portal here, this 12-12 portal energy, that will carry us all the way to the 12-12 portal in 2024, right? So what are the blessings coming in? Oh, look at this. And we got the new moon energy in the 12-12 portal, new beginnings. Oh, how sweet. This fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby or the birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would a baby. Beautiful new beginnings for you. New life. Music. Listen carefully, for there may be a message in the music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories, and charm fairies to your door. So spirit, your higher self, source, is speaking to you through music. Your star family is speaking to you through music to give you the inspiration, feeling inspired, getting outside, connecting with Mother Earth, connecting with your higher self, purifying, detoxifying will inspire you. That's that spark, right? Be prepared, as you'll soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call it any time. Beautiful. And you are an inspiration to others. I just feel really creative time coming for you. And then we have this journey. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you're ready when the time comes. Pack your passport now. So this might be literal. Get your passport, get it ready, get everything organized. You're going to have an opportunity to journey on, to move on. The Chariot did come out, so that would make sense. So it's time to prepare for a journey. It's time to move on. Get ready to be ready. Big opportunity with that bunny energy. Let's get one more. Purity, innocence, divine love. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it, you will find the answer to your question. So beautiful. When you go within and you purify and you really feel into your emotional body, your truth, your wisdom, that's where you're going to get the clarity that you've been asking for. And with the dragon cards, we're going to get the final messages of activations in this 12-12 portal. More things being activated, more messages for you. Sunshine Yellow Dragon helps you to help animals, serve animals, heal, respect, and understand them. So this may be some of your call to service, to help animals, to nurture animals, to protect land so that animals' homes aren't destroyed. And even just connecting with your own animals, if you have pets at home, and being out in nature is going to help you at this time. Kuan Yin's pink dragon brings firm love that resets your karmic balance. See all your cords dissolved by transcendent love. Enjoy your freedom. Look for the divine around you. Kuan Yin's compassion is with you. This heart-centered healing energy to help you cut cords of the past, to release. The firm love, the tough love that resets your karmic balance. So when this tower comes in, if it has already come in, or when it comes in and you realize these things and you allow yourself to see clearly, sometimes we need that little firm love, that little kick in the pants from the universe to get us moving forward in the right direction. So that's what's happening, but always with love. It's always with love, right? And then we have this black dragon. I'm feeling a lot of protective energy with this black dragon. Cocoons you so that your divine potential grows. So you're protected as you grow, as you expand in this 12-12 portal and beyond. Meditate, reflect. You're undergoing a metamorphosis right now. Ah, how beautiful. And at the bottom is the emerald dragon. Brings in healing and cosmic abundance. Good fortune is coming. Let your thoughts support your divine perfection. Align with your fifth dimensional blueprint. Align with your higher self. Align with your star family. Let me read that again. Good fortune is coming. Let your thoughts support your divine perfection. Align with your fifth dimensional blueprint. Align with your destiny. Align with your cosmic abundance. Allow yourself to heal. I'm sending you all so much love.